रिव्यू के बाद अब बारी आती है इस चैप्टर की एक्सरसाइज को सॉल्व करने की और ये देखने की कि हमने इस चैप्टर में जो कुछ सीखा हम उसके मुतालिक क्वेश्चंस को सॉल्व कर सकते हैं या नहीं। तो चलिए चलते हैं अपनी चैप्टर नंबर 6 की एक्सरसाइज की तरफ।
Exercise. Question A. Tick the correct answer. Statement 1. Which of the following is an ISP? All of these are ISPs. PTCL, Stormfiber, Cybernet, Wateen. Statement 2. We can use internet to all of these. Buy products, pay bills, chat with people. Statement 3. Which of these is used to reload a web page? Option B. Refresh button. Statement 4. Which of the following is an example of a web browser? Option D. Internet Explorer. Statement 5. What is a collection of related web pages linked together called? Option D. Website. Question B. Write T for true and F for false in the given circles. We can get a lot of information on any topic on the internet. True. A web page is created using a language called HTML. True. The forward button takes us to the web page which we were viewing before coming to the present page. False. The web page which collectively form the World Wide Web are hyperlinks. False. Home button is used to display the home page. True. Question C. Fill in the blanks. When we visit any site, the first page that opens is called the home page. The internet was initially known as Dash, ARPANET. The dash button is used to save the URL that we like and may want to visit later, the favorites. Dash is a collection of interconnected pages that contain text, pictures, audios, and videos. Website. The URL of the website is entered in the dash bar, in the address bar. Question D. Answer the following questions. Question number 1. Define ISP and WWW. ISP stands for Internet Service Provider. An ISP is a company that provides internet access to the users. The World Wide Web (WWW) is the part of the internet made up of web pages that can be viewed in a web browser. It is a collection of interconnected pages that contain text, pictures, audios, and videos. Question number 2. What is the difference between web page and website? Web page. A web page is created using a language called HTML, Hypertext Markup Language. These pages may contain text, images, videos, audio, and links to other pages. Website. A website is a place on the internet where information is available. It is a collection of one or more related web pages linked together. Question number 3. What is the internet? Give any two uses of the internet. Internet is often described as an international network of computers connected worldwide. When many networks are connected to share information, it is called the internet. Some of the uses of the internet are: we can buy and sell products on the internet. We can book airline, railway, movie tickets. We can get a lot of information on any topic on the internet. Question number 4. What do you mean by search engines? Name any two search engines. A web search engine is a website that helps us search for information on the World Wide Web. Google and Bing are the examples of search engines. What is the role of a web browser? A web browser is a software that lets you access the pages on the World Wide Web. Some popular browsers are Microsoft Edge, Internet Explorer, Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, Opera, Apple Safari, and you see browser. Creativity skill में draw and color the picture of any two web browsers in your notebook. In project time, we will work on our practical skills by opening the Internet Explorer and type the URL of Google search engine and search the information on history of Internet. Experience based question में you want to buy some books through the internet, but you don't know which websites you should visit for that purpose. What should you do to go to the website's addresses? And what is the term used for moving from one page to another? Also, your father wants to pay electricity bill through the internet, but he does not know which website he should visit for that purpose. Suggest to him the method to get the website addresses. Think and answer में we will think that is it right to spend most of your time on the internet or to use it for every homework. Justify your answer. Activity work में we will prepare a project file on the internet. उसके बाद we will discuss by dividing the class into groups of 5 each. We will discuss the different uses of internet in detail.
जी तो डियर स्टूडेंट्स, ये था हमारा चैप्टर नंबर 6 इंटरनेट। हमने इस चैप्टर में इंटरनेट की दुनिया में इस्तेमाल होने वाली मुख्तलिफ टर्म्स को स्टडी किया। हमने वेब ब्राउज़र्स को, URLs को और सर्च इंजन्स को भी देखा। इसके साथ ही हमने इस चैप्टर की एक्सरसाइज को भी सॉल्व किया। हमारा चैप्टर यहीं पर ही ख़त्म हुआ। कंप्यूटर को इस्तेमाल करते वक्त आपने कंप्यूटर से टैम्परिंग या कंप्यूटर की केबल्स को चेंज नहीं करना। इस बात का बहुत अच्छे से एहतियात रखें। मैं मिलूँगा आपसे नेक्स्ट वीडियो में नेक्स्ट चैप्टर के साथ। अल्लाह हाफ़िज़।